guys, in this video we are going to see how communication is an integral part of a strong team network. Your ability to work well with others on a team is essential for developing your career. Is not just about every field. Effective team produces a better outcome than individuals or uncoordinated groups. The kinds of errors that cause a plane crash are invariably errors of teamwork and communication. By giving everyone on the team a defined roles and responsibilities, you can better coordinate and avoid the duplicate efforts and the missed opportunities. As a team, it is important to be in alignment on the goals, purpose, and the process of collaboration. It is very important for assigning roles for communication in team meetings and establishing conditions of satisfaction that will help to get the team in sync and make sure that we all are rowing in the same direction. Actionable feedback is critical for a team success. It is important that we all of our teammates know what the work is going on, and probably what more important is what needs to be changed or improved. By giving and receiving a feedback is a tricky example, especially when it is with someone when you are closely working with. It is important to establish a culture of feedback on your team. This means we should create an environment where the feedback is positive and constructive and is shared regularly in a timely fashion. It can give an instant better result, even a short and simple framework. It is very important to give and receive feedback. When giving and feedback, the more specific it is, more better for you. So, we should talk in a regular basis, and right feedback helps in right constructive way of team building. And for each feedback, we use our good communication skill. It is well established that today teams are global, and teams that harness diverse perspectives and talents have a better outcome than those who didn't. Yet, communicating the cross-cultural can present some challenges. A model that will help you to think through the cultural issues and come up in a cross-functional business communication is abbreviated as LESSON. This points to the 7 areas. The first is the language, the second is the environment, third is the social organization, fourth is the context, fifth is the authority, sixth is the nonverbal, and seventh is the time. To consider it in a business settings, it will briefly highlight some of the points to consider in each of these 7 areas. Starting with the language, when it comes to a language we use should be clear, basic phrasing wherever possible, so that everyone in the team will be using it in the same way and everyone will be able to understand it very easily. The lesson model gives us 7 considerations for communicating in our cross-cultural teams. If we don't know how our teammates think about each other of these categories and plans to have a discussion about this topic and link them to our team character, your team is only strong as your ability to effectively communicate around the cross-functional boundaries. Most teams underperform their potential. If you reframe your ability to collaborate and work well in team, it would be career altering. These skills will help you to become a team member who is trusted and respected for their ability to help the team in each of its goals. At the outset, some people feel hesitant about working on a team project. Before knowing the techniques included, we should know how to communicate within the team so that we end up reaching the goals for all. Here comes the interpersonal intra-team communication and collaboration. This is a phenomenon at play and a background called social loafing. The easiest way to describe it is when the people on a team are slack off because they know someone else will pick up their slack. You can combat social loafing in the teams by implementing the best practices of team communication. The work you have invested is worth getting the right. So come back and find the right way with the right member. Thank you. If you like my channel, then feel free to like, share and subscribe. Bye for now.